Rich people have more debt than you do. Average millionaire carries $347,000 in debt. Average American, only $38,000. You've been taught backward. More debt equals more wealth. That's not reckless, that's strategy. Two people got $10,000 bonuses in 2020. Person A paid off debt immediately. Felt responsible, debt-free. Person B borrowed $40,000 more, bought an asset. 4 years later, Person A has $12,000 saved. Person B has $450,000 net worth. 38 times wealthier from understanding one thing about debt. There are two types of debt, not good or bad. Consumption debt destroys you. Production debt builds wealth systematically. One number determines whether debt makes you richer or poorer. That number is the spread. Most never calculate it. I'm John. I analyzed 46 millionaires' debt strategies completely. 73% use debt to build their entire wealth. Debt has one definition: money now, money back later. Plus a fee called interest. Every debt is identical. You've been taught good debt versus bad debt bins. That sorting system is wrong often enough to destroy you. The spread, debt's rate against what money earns elsewhere. When you carry debt, you guarantee yourself that loss. So ask, could money earn more than debt costs? That single comparison determines wealth or poverty for you. Meet Jake, responsible, never missed a payment, budgets perfectly. He carries $8,000 on his credit card monthly. Thinks of it like a phone bill, something manageable. He pays $200 toward it every month. Here's what Jake never calculated on his credit card. His card charges 21.5% interest annually. On $8,000, that's $1,700 yearly. $143 every month accomplishes absolutely nothing. It takes 71 months to clear $8,000. He pays $6,200 in pure interest alone. Total paid, $14,000 to retire $8,000 borrowed. Jake is running a permanent donation to his bank. Never felt it as crisis because it never arrived suddenly. What if Jake killed the debt first, then invested? After 10 years, $96,000 accumulated from investing. The spread cost Jake $96,000 over 1 decade. Now meet Michael. Has a mortgage at 6.5. By conventional wisdom, he has good debt. He's totally fine. Michael's trait: refuses debt costing more than his mortgage. No credit card balance. No finance furniture. Nothing expensive. He invests $500 every single month consistently. At 10% return, that becomes serious long-term wealth. 10 years, $100 to $1,000 accumulated through market returns. 20 years, $380,000 total accumulated wealth. 30 years, $1.1 million, inflation adjusted $610. Same paycheck as Jake, only difference, understanding the spread. Jake's money committed at 21.5 working against. Michael's money committed at 10% working for him. So where exactly is the line? Where's the cutoff? Safe benchmark, 4% from high-yield savings accounts today. Ambitious benchmark, 10% from stock market long-run returns. Above 8% debt, almost certainly costs too much. Below 6% debt, usually better keeping, investing the difference. Between 6 and 8, gray zone, depends on risk tolerance. Debt payoff is guaranteed tax-free return, not just expense. Investing earns 10% but government takes their cut. Erasing 20% debt keeps entire 20% tax-free. No legal investment pays 21.5 risk-free guaranteed. Yet it sat in Jake's mailbox disguised as bill. Paying that card beats stock market by 11 points guaranteed. Wealthy people use this exact spread at massive scale. They borrow instead of selling. You've heard that before. The real version is called buy, borrow, and die, by appreciating assets. Hold them, never sell, never tax, need cash. Borrow against assets at low rate instead. Assets keep growing while you borrow cheap, earn more. They're using the spread. Borrow 3, earn 10%. Jeff Bezos denied using this strategy on television recently. Whether he does, the mechanism isn't exotic at all. It's Michael's mortgage decision just with more zeros attached. Private banks offer 3% loans to 10 million clients. Same spread Michael uses, just different magnitude and scale. Pull up every debt you currently have right now. Write the interest rate clearly next to each one. Lay each one against the spread line we discussed. Credit card at 21.5. Attack it first. Payday loan at 30%, treated like emergency. Personal loan at 12. Above line, next in queue. Student loan at 6.5. Gray zone, continue schedule. Mortgage at 6.5. Keep it, invest the difference. Exception, employer match beats everything, capture it immediately first. Attack from top until you drop below the line. Then stop attacking debt and start investing surplus money. Person A paid debt, saved 1,800 yearly. Person B understood spread, generated 32,000 yearly. 38 times wealthier from one number, the spread between rate and alternative return. That's everything you need. You don't understand wealth until you understand this about debt. It's not good or bad, it's rate measured against alternative opportunity. Same instrument, opposite outcomes, one number determines everything, the spread. Subscribe to Wealth Insider Lab. Every week I break down strategies wealthy people use you weren't taught. The system works differently for them, unless you learn their numbers. Now you know the most important one. Go check your spread.